Hey everybody, I'm Gokul from RBA. Selling your business should be an exciting event, but do you know only 49% of all companies that go under an LOI actually sell? As a restoration broker who's worked with 350 plus clients over 14 years, I know why this happens. Hey everybody, today I want to talk about the 7 lessons I've learned from over 500 million in restoration transactions. In my previous 6 episodes on this topic, we've covered time is not your friend, the competition will give you better offers, the importance of due diligence, that some parts of the contract and negotiations are more important than others, that the letter of intent is a very important part of a process, that strategic buyers and financial buyers. Today, I want to talk about understanding the process and using leverage for better outcomes. Hey everybody, welcome to my series on the 7 lessons I've learned from 500 million in restoration transactions. Today we're going to talk about my 7th lesson, which is understanding the process, and leverage will result in better outcomes. And so let me explain. So here you got leverage, Let's call it low, medium, and high. And here's the general process of a deal, You start with coding, then you get to the LOI phase, you get to the due diligence phase, and then you get to the purchase agreement phase. Now, where you have the most leverage in a deal is right here, when you're doing the LOI. This is when you want all of the things that are most important to you hammered out. Because once the LOI is done, the leverage transfers over to the buyer and comes away from you. All right, so this is the phase. So when you get into the LOI, take your time, make sure everything that is important to you is hammered out right here when you got the most leverage in the entire process. Selling your business is exciting and should be the pinnacle of your career, and it's complicated to get right. At RBA, we'll help our clients successfully navigate through this journey. We make the complicated simple. Go to www.rbasells.com and check us out.